जिनमें अकेले चलने के हौसले होते हैं, एक दिन उन्हीं के पीछे काफ़िले होते हैं। Guiding our borders with their sweat, blood, and tears, our armed forces make the greatest sacrifices for us. They go to protect their motherland, they go to protect us, leaving their houses, their families at a young age. They left their own troubles and losses behind while rushing to rescue others. They take care of Indian citizens as their own family members. The Armed Forces Flag Day is the day to honor them. A very pleasant morning to everyone. This is Harpreet Kaur on behalf of Sacred Heart Convent Senior Secondary School, Sahnewal, going to speak on very special occasion of Indian Armed Forces Flag Day. Our Shan and Abhiman, Indian Armed Forces represent the whole country. No matter its soldiers come from each part, extending from Arunachal to the Andamans, and represent every caste, creed, and religion. They are created from us to serve and to support us. The Armed Forces Flag Day of India is a day dedicated to India towards collection of funds from people of India for the welfare of Indian Armed Forces personnel. In India, it has been observed annually on December 7 since 1949, and the idea behind observing a flag day was to distribute small flags to the general population and in return collect donations. Over the years, it has become a tradition to commemorate this day as an honor to the soldiers, sailors, and airmen of India. Today is 7th of December, and it's a time for Indians to express its gratitude and appreciation to the current and veteran military personnel of India and acknowledge those who died in service to the country. This day's celebration intends to tribute the valiant and soldiers and to revamp the harmony of citizens. It is our duty to not only show admiration for the martyrs and the living heroes who were wounded while doing their duties, but also their families who have been a crucial part of this sacrifice. To honor the sacrifices by the armed forces in the line of duty, this year Centre has announced that the whole month would be celebrated as Armed Forces Flag Day. Why to wait then? Let us all contribute toward Armed Forces Flag Day Fund. Thank you. Jai Hind.